Good morning and welcome back to day 3 of the Uni Salt Flats tour with Red Planet. I can tell you that last night was pretty cold. We did have blankets and sleeping bags, but still slept in my clothes, and right now you can probably see my breath. It's probably still around freezing. I can't really tell the temperature. There's no data out here to do that, and I don't think anybody has a thermometer. But we had a decent chicken and pasta supper last night with some red wine, and then this morning we just had pancakes, yogurt, oatmeal, and some fruit. And we're going to be on the road today for just a few hours before me and another one of my group mates is going to head into Chile to San Pedro de Atacama, and then the rest of the group is going to head back to Uni.
Our drivers load our gear to leave camp for the Salvador Dali Desert, which is known for its extremely barren landscape resembling Dali's surrealist paintings. Our last stop in Bolivia before the border station is an overlook of Laguna Blanca and the smaller Laguna Verde at the base of Mount Huariques. On the other side of the mountain lie the border with Chile.
So we've made it here to the border of Bolivia and Chile, where I just got my passport stamped. I'm still on the Bolivian side. We're waiting for a bus to take us to the Chilean side, and it's about 45 minutes by bus from here to San Pedro de Atacama. So I'll be in Chile for the next few weeks, which is going to be fun. San Pedro de Atacama is supposed to be one of the best places to see the stars in the world. They actually have the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, which is one of the telescopes that searches for radio waves out in the universe. So I might go see that if I'm able to get registered. So the rest of the group is heading back off to Uni today.
The journey through the border checkpoints can sometimes take a while as agents thoroughly check each bag coming into Chile.
Alright, so after about an hour going through customs and immigration and another 45 minutes on the bus, I'm here in San Pedro de Atacama, and we actually fell about 2,100 meters in about 45 minutes, so it's not cold anymore, it's not windy anymore. It is the middle of the desert, one of the driest places on earth, with some excellent mountains in the background. Still cold at night, but during the day, since it's a desert, it's got no clouds and a pretty harsh sun.
Just a 10-minute walk from the bus station is my hostel for the week. It's a little expensive, but so is everything else here in San Pedro. At least it's uniquely decorated. From San Pedro de Atacama town, you can catch a tour of Valle de la Luna, or Valley of the Moon, every day. The valley is a desolate but beautiful landscape that more closely resembles Mars with its abundance of red rocks. The quartz, granite, and clay formation known as the Three Marias has been eroded and carved by the wind and salt over centuries to watch over the Atacama. Take a hike through the salt caves while your guide explains the geological processes that created the Atacama landscape around you. Just watch your head. Another great day tour is Rainbow Valley, where you can explore a diverse range of colored rock formations, but my favorite part remains the Yerbas Buenas petroglyphs, said to have been created by the Atacameño people dating back around 10,000 years. In the glyphs you can clearly see human and animal forms. There are plenty more adventures to be had from San Pedro de Atacama, but make sure after a long day to make it out to one of the viewpoints above the valley for sunset.
Thank you for watching Brochure's Adventures. If you like this content and would like to see more, please consider clicking and subscribing below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos from around the world, click the links over here. Happy New Year, and I hope your 2019 is full of travel and adventure. Face your fears and say yes to adventure.